Hello, I'm Mahdi Dadashzadeh, and this is a simple project for the final CS50 Python project. My project is an area calculator project. Check the main project file. The only module used in the mass module from which the number p has been imported. This program can calculate the area of four shapes: a circle, a triangle, a square, a rectangle. Four functions have been written to calculate the area of four shapes. The function that calculates the area of a circle, the function that calculates the area of a square, the function that calculates the area of a rectangle, and finally the function that calculates the area of a triangle. Each of these functions is called in the main function based on the user input, which can different number for different shapes. For example, the number 1 is used to calculate the area of a circle. All inputs checked, and if they are not numbers or are a negative number or zero, an appropriate message is displayed, and then the user is asked for input again. Run this program. Python project.py and input 4, length, for example 3, width 6, area is. Let's go to the check the project test. The tests were performed using the PyTest module. All four functions the program are checked here. And finally, the README file that is written with Markdown syntax. This file has a comprehensive and complete explanation of the project. For example, how to test the project, how to run the program, how to run the program, or what each of the function do. Thank you, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.